I'm sure you've heard that swimming is a great way to cool off and have fun in the summer. But did you know that it also provides numerous health benefits? Dive into health and discover the surprising advantages of swimming. First off, swimming is a fantastic full-body workout. It engages all your major muscle groups, from your arms and legs to your core and back. It's a low-impact exercise, making it easy on your joints and perfect for people of all ages and fitness levels. Not only does swimming build strength and tone muscles, but it also improves cardiovascular health. As you glide through the water, your heart gets a great workout, leading to increased endurance and a healthier heart. But that's not all. Swimming can also boost your mental well-being. It releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that can reduce stress and anxiety. The rhythmic nature of swimming can create a calming effect, helping you unwind and find mental clarity. Swimming has been shown to improve lung capacity and respiratory health. The controlled breathing required in swimming enhances lung function, making it particularly beneficial for those with asthma or other respiratory conditions. If you're looking to shed some pounds, swimming can help with weight management too. It's a calorie-burning powerhouse, torching around 500,700 calories per hour depending on the intensity. Plus, swimming increases your metabolism, so you'll continue to burn calories even after you leave the pool. So, whether you're swimming laps, taking a water aerobics class, or simply splashing around, you're doing your body and mind a world of good. Dive into health and start reaping the incredible benefits of swimming today. Thanks for watching this video on the surprising benefits of swimming. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.